Hey Jetty Rockers, welcome to Jetty Rocks Fishing. Today we got another catch and cook for y'all. And today we're going to be doing sheep's head on the half shell on the grill, which is an excellent way of doing sheep's head. I've done a couple of videos on doing stuff on the half shell, red drum, a redfish, black drum, triple tail. But sheep's head is also really good to do on the half shell. So we're going to do that tonight, guys. So real quick, check out this footage of Summer and I catching some sheep's head on a recent trip. Then I'll see you guys at the cleaning table. Then I'll see you guys at the grill. This is kind of fine, like a sheep's head. Let's see what it is. What is it? Sheep's head. Okay, hold on. All right, pick it up. All right, we got him. All right, that's a keeper. Yeah. They only got to be 12. I'm sure he's 13. I'm sure he is 13, kiddo.
Oh my God! The snook opened the cooler.
Sorry, I get him. I'm pretty sure he's 13, huh? Almost 14. All right. Nice. Summer's on a roll, guys. I can't even catch nothing. I'm hooked up on the bottom sweeper jig. What we got here? A sheeper. All right. A sheeper on the bottom sweeper jig. All right, we got a sheep. Nice little sheeper on that little bottom sweeper jig. This thing hooks them so good, it's not even funny. Oh, I can't get it off. Oh, come on, dude. Oh, get out of there. Where's my pliers at? There we go. Alright, I'm pretty sure he is 13. Yep. Alright. Alright guys, we got a couple of little sheephead here we're going to do our catch and cook with. And basically what we're going to do is we're just going to do sheep's head on the half shell. So I'm just going to real quick rip the sides off these fish. We'll go right through the backbones. Just like that. Just going to take the side off. Just like that. Do that to both sides. Pretty easy, especially on these smaller ones. It is heck on a knife though. I will tell you that. Cutting through them rib cages. All right, there we go. Awesome. Get rid of that. All right, real quick, I'm just gonna, where this little dark stomach lining is, I'm just gonna cut that out real quick, just like that. Get all that out, cut it off right here, and there we go, guys. Filet is ready for the grill. All right guys, well, we're at the grill. I got some black and red fish magic here, and we're just gonna put some of this on our sheep's head. Just on the one side, because we got the skin on the other side. It is not wanting to. There we go. And just like that. Now we're going to set these on here. Skin side down. Just like that. One more. There we go, guys. This should cook for maybe 5 minutes. I'd say about 5 minutes. This should be completely cooked because you're not going to flip it over. Just going to cook it from the one side all the way out. We're going to be cooking at about 400 degrees. So we'll let this cook for about 5 minutes, y'all. We'll come back out, we'll take them off. All right, well, we're gonna check them real quick. Ooh, yeah. All right, guys, they're looking awesome. They've been on the grill right now for about 2 minutes. So give it another 3 minutes, and they should be good to go. Looking awesome. All right, y'all, it's been another 3 minutes. Let's see if they're done. Oh yeah, a little bit more on that one, a little bit more. They're getting really close. We're gonna give it another 3 minutes and they should be done. All right, y'all, well, it's been another 3 minutes. And let's see here, we take our fork here, our handy dandy fish tester, and there we go. They are good. All right, good to go. And super easy taking these off because it does not stick. They're hot, but they don't stick because you got the skin on the bottom with the scales on it. And that's it, guys. There is some sheep's head on the half shell. And I gotta tell you, that smells and looks amazing. All right, guys, well, here we go. Here's our sheep's head on the half shell. We're just gonna, comes right off the skin really easy, guys. Just like that. Ooh, man, another good. Here we go. Guys, if you have not tried fish on the half shell, you got to. That is the easiest way to cook fish. Super simple, super easy, no mess hardly. You pull the meat off the skin and throw it away. It is amazing. Absolutely delicious. You get the full flavor of the fish. It's nice, flaky, and white. Absolutely no fishy taste, game taste, or anything like that. It's amazing. Sheep's head's really good. Black drum's really good. Redfish is really good. Triple tail's really good. Pompano's really good. I haven't tried it yet with trout, but as soon as trout opens back up, I am going to try it with some trout. I don't think you could do it with snook, because if you eat, I've always been told if you eat snook with the skin on, it makes it taste soapy. That's why they used to have the nickname soap fish. Not really sure if that's true. That's what I've always been told, and I've never eaten snook with the skin on, so I don't know if it's true or not. But that is outstanding. I want to thank you guys very much for hanging out with me tonight and eating dinner with me and going on this little adventure. We had a great time out there fishing. Summer caught an awesome snook. That's in a different video. I mean, just a wonderful day. We caught some nice black drum, plus these sheep's head. And we makes a great dinner. So I want to thank you guys very much for all your interaction, your subscribing, your thumbs up, your comments, seeing me out on the water, introducing yourself. That stuff means the world to me. I really do. I enjoy it very much. You guys humble me. You guys keep me grounded. And I thank you all for being a part of this channel. So until we see you all again out there on the water, y'all, tight lines, Jetty Rockers, and I'll be seeing y'all. Hey, Jetty Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jetty Rocks Fishing, and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page, where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jetty Rockers.